I'm Janet with the Sunset Plants and Southern Living Plant Collections. Today we're going to talk about edible figs. We all love our edibles, and figs can be a little bit confusing for the home gardener. So, this is Little Miss Figgy. It's a great name and it's a great variety. These are hardy outdoors to zone 7, so you will get fruit in cooler climates. And figs are a little bit more deciduous the more cold you get. So in the north, these are going to be completely deciduous. They're going to lose all of their leaves and look like sticks over the winter time. But in the southern parts of the country where we have more heat, they won't lose as many leaves. They might actually even hold on to their leaves all winter long. And the other tip that I really have for you on figs is you don't want to do a spring pruning on them. If you do, you're going to cut off your figs for that year. So if they're getting a little bit tall for you or you want to keep them more compact, give them a prune after they lose their leaves or later in the fall. And that way you're not going to be impacting your lovely fig produce for the next year.